Hi friends, I am Harshal and today I am going to teach you how to solve linear equation with one variable. What is the meaning of linear equation? It means in the equation there will be a sign of equal to, then only it will be called an equation, and there will be two sides, that is left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. LHS is always equals to RHS. Then only it will be called an equation. Okay, now today I am going to tell you some methods how to solve linear equation. There are three methods. First is transposition. Second is balancing. Third is heat and trial. Or we can say it as trial and error. These are the three methods to solve linear equation with one variable. I will explain you line by line. Okay, first transposition method. Okay, this is the question. Firstly, I will tell you in this equation what is the constant, variable and coefficient. Okay, so here 3 is the constant because constant means a value that never varies. So 3 is the constant. X is the variable because it value will vary, and 6 will be the coefficient of x because it is multiplied by x. Same in this side. 11 will be the constant, x will be the variable, and 4 will be the coefficient which is multiplied by x. Okay, so how to solve this? 6x plus 3 is equals to 4x plus 11. Here we have to transport the number or variable which are like term to another. For example, the like term of 6x in this whole equation is 4x. So we have to transport either 6x here or 4x here. I will transport 4x here. 6x minus 4x is equals to 11 minus 3. Now, why I have changed the sign of these numbers? It was in plus because there is no sign in front of it. When we change the side through transposition method, the sign of the number will be changed. It was in plus, so it will become minus. It was in plus, it will become minus. We will change the side of only those numbers which are changing their position. 11 is already there and it is there. So plus plus. We are not changing the side of 11. Those the sign of 11 will be remain same. We are changing the side of 3, then the sign of 3 will be changed, and 4, then the sign of 4 will be changed. Now, we always add and subtract like terms. These two are like terms because they have x, same variable with same power. Same variable with same power. So 2x is equals to plus 11 minus 3. It will be 8. So here there is no sign between 2 and x. It means they are in multiplication. So when we change the side of 2 and bring it here, it will become divide. Opposite of multiplication is divide. So x equals to 8 upon 2 to 4. So the answer of this equation is 4. Means the value of x is 4. Okay. Now I will give you some more examples. Now, our second method, that is heat and trial method. 5x is equals to 2x plus 12. Okay, this is our question and we have to solve it with the help of heat and trial or trial and error. Both are same. Okay, what we have to do in this? We have to put the values from 1 line by line and check whether both the sides become equal or not. For example, firstly, we will take 1 at the place of x in both the side. So 5 equals to 2 plus 12, that is 5, is not equals to 14. LHS is always equals to RHS, but here they are not equal. It means the value of x is not 1. Now we will put 2 in this. 2. 10 equals to 4 plus 12. 10 is not equals to 16. Next we will put 3. 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. 6 plus 12. So it will be 5 is not equals to 18. So here 5 is not equals to 18. Now we will put 4 here. So 5 into 4 is equals to 2 into 4 plus 12. So here it will be 20 is equals to 8 plus 12. So 20 is equals to 20. So it means the value of x is 4 because both the sides has become equal. This is a method known as heat and trial. In this we have to try the numbers in the sequence. Now here we have got the number 4. What to do if the value of x is 10 and we have to solve it with the heat and trial method? In this case, when we are not finding the number between 1 to 5, what you have to do in exams? You have to first solve by transposition method in the corner, and then you have to do with 1, 2, 3 and 4 and skip to that number which is the answer. Then the examiner will know that you are known with this method. Okay. Now the third method is balancing method. This method is tricky. So we take one more example of balancing. Okay. Earlier we were doing heat and trial. Now we have to do balancing. Firstly we will solve this. There is no sign between 3 and in this bracket, so it means they are in multiplication. 3 into x will be 3x plus 5 into 3 will be 15. It equals to 4x plus. Now we have to choose the sides. You want variable here or you want numerical? You want variable here or numerical? I am choosing variable here and numerical here. So here there will be only variables and here there will be only numerical. But here there is a number. So we have to remove this by balancing method. So how to balance this? Here 3x plus 15 minus 15. Now why we have done minus 15? To remove this. In balancing method, the sign which the number has, we have to use the opposite sign. For example, 15 has a sign of plus. It is in plus. So we use minus here. Same in this side. 4x plus 9 minus 15. Okay. Now 15 cross. So here will be 3x is equals to 4x. Here 15 is in minus and 9 is in plus, so opposite sign always minus, so the answer will be minus 6 because the number which is greater has minus sign. Now what to do? Here we want numerical, but here there is a variable, so what to do? We have to remove this also. So 3x minus 4x, because it is in plus, so we will apply minus on both the sides. Okay, this. So plus 4x minus 4x cross, and here the answer will be here minus x, because the minus term is greater, is equals to minus 6. Now we have to find the value of x, not minus x. So both the sides have minus, then we will cross the minus. This method is known as balancing method. Okay, now I will give you the example of fractional equation, how to solve fractional equation. So for example, x plus 5 upon x equals to 2 by 3. Okay, now it is in mixed form, we have to convert it into improper. How to convert? Multiply by this and add this. So as it is, 3 into 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 upon 3. Now we will do cross multiplication. 3 will be multiplied by this whole and x will be multiplied by this. So 3 into x plus 5 equals to 8x. Now 3 into x is 3x plus 15 equals to 8x. I am solving this by transposition method. This method is easy to solve and we quickly find the answer. So 15, these two are like terms, so we will transport 3 there. X minus 3. Minus 3, why? Because 3 is positive. When we change the sign, it will become negative. So 15 equals to 8x minus 3, 5x. So multiply, it will become divide here. So the value of x is 3. So x is equals to 3. This is how to solve fractional equation. I hope after seeing this video you will be definitely able to solve any question of linear equation. Thank you.